What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you don't know that already, I am a mother and a makeup lover. So today I kind of have just like this very sexy gray smoky eye like date night look. My husband's birthday is actually coming up, and so I was thinking of doing something like this for him, I guess. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy today's video. It is going to be a full face video because the eyes are just so simple and easy that literally it took me 5 minutes to blend one eye. Like, it is such a simple look. So if you want to see how I created this very simple yet beautiful look, then you already know what to do. Please just keep on watching. This look is so quick and simple. Like, bitch, watch this. Okay, we're about to get into it. Like, this look is that bitch. P. Louise base, shade Rumor number 2. We're gonna just go ahead and prime the lids. I probably won't have to do too much editing to this portion of the video. So if you hear like my kids plopping stuff or like they fight and they scream at each other, so if you hear that, I apologize in advance, but hopefully I could get through this without having my children scream at each other. I am going into 2 palettes today, 2 shades, 2 palettes, not bad. I'm going to be going into my Be Perfect Clientele palette. This is by Job and Makeup Artist, and I'm going to take the shade Cloudy, which is a just light gray. And I'm going to take this on one of my, so back when I used to have ABH palettes, these brushes came in clutch. So I'm going to take the packing end, and I'm going to pack this in a round shape, and then just fucking buff it out. Like, literally just pack that bitch down, right? And then I'm going to dip this fluffy end back into the product, just lightly. And I'm just gonna start to smoke this out. Now that it's pretty well diffused, it's still a little patchy, but we're just going to go in with a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm just going to smoke these edges out. It doesn't need to be perfect because I'm going for like a smoky eye, but obviously I don't want the gray to look patchy. So I'm just going to really take my time to buff this out. So now going into my Alien palette by Jeffree Star, I'm going to take the shade Tall Gray. I'm just going to go in with the exact same brush, and this gray is darker. Watch. So I'm just going to pack this down. Like, look how much deeper that is already. I'm just going to pack it down and then buff it right out into the other gray that I used. Done. Like, I am done. Like, literally, that's it. It doesn't look perfect, but once I put all my makeup on and like the liner, like, bitch, like, So, liner of choice today is, of course, my Inglot number 77 gel liner. So let's go ahead and hang it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and like clean this up and then we can move on to face. So I know I did a full face in my last video, but I feel like this video would be so short if I just did my eyes because like they were so simple. I already primed my skin, so I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. No, I always do that. Okay, no, that's not what we're doing first. Going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. And I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. Now going in with my Pretty Vulgar The Powder Room Setting Powder. Oops. I'm going to set my face. I'm going to go in with my Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face Palette for my contour and blush. For highlight, I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill The Flash palette, and I like to just kind of go through all of them. So I'm going to start with the light shade Cloudy. And I'm just going to dust this under my eye. And I'm going to take a fluffy brush, buff that out. Okay, so my brother stopped by and so I finished doing my makeup, but he left. So this is the completed look. I just styled my hair. I really enjoy how everything came out. It was like so simple, but yet still so like stylish and like sexy. So I really love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But that is it for today's video. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and roll the clip.